In this problem, we're going to build our own rational function using the graph and following the instructions on the left. And then we're going to find the equation for it. So fair warning, be a little careful in how complicated you choose to make your factor. If you have x-intercepts all over the place with vertical asymptotes, like 10 of them, you're going to have a very complicated equation. So you'll have what you make of it. Now, let's start with the x-intercepts. I'm going to just place them here at -2 and, I don't know, right here at +1. Keep it simple. And then the next thing it wants is 2 non-zero vertical asymptotes. So I don't want a vertical asymptote like right up here. Let's not do that. Instead, I'm going to put these vertical asymptotes, I don't know, how about this at -4, and we'll have over here one at, well, you know what, let's mix it up. Put them over here at -6. Okay, there's my 2 vertical asymptotes. Doesn't matter where you draw it, as long as it's not at x = 0. And then one last bit. Let's make a non-zero horizontal asymptote. And that could be anywhere, so I'll just stick it here at -3. Feeling like -3 today. So the next part of this problem, after you put this much in, is to say, okay, graph it, or give me the equation now. So I'm going to walk through this a little quicker because we've done this before. My equation is going to look something like this. F of x equals, I have factors on top and bottom. The factors on top are going to be related to those x-intercepts that I made. So there's going to be x plus 2, and there's going to be, let's see, x minus 1. All right. The factors on bottom are going to be related to those vertical asymptotes. So that's going to be x plus 6 and x plus 4. There's no holes in this function, so this equation is basically done. The only little bit left is the horizontal asymptote. And watch this. When you have a non-zero horizontal asymptote, it just appears in the equation just like that. It's the easiest thing ever. When the horizontal asymptote is at 0, that's a little harder because you can't just stick 0 in your equation. That makes it all disappear. But when the horizontal asymptote is at -3, then you just stick that -3 out in front. Now the next question is, well, where's my y-intercept? That's going to be equal to, remember, f of 0. So you just plug in 0 for all these x's, and you'll find where the function actually hits the y-axis. So that's going to be -3 times 0 plus 2 times 0 minus 1 divided by 0 plus 6, 0 plus 4. Okay, and now we just simplify this thing. So, that's math. I think that's -3 times -2, once I multiply those parentheses together, divided by 24, okay, which makes +6/24, which makes a quarter. Now that's not the answer, that's not the y-intercept, you have to say it as a coordinate point. So the coordinate point of the y-intercept is going to be 0,1/4, and this right here is the y value of the y-intercept. Depends what the question's asking for, whether it was a coordinate point or the y value of the intercept.